In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the top of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative terminal for the battery. Remove the negative battery terminal. Put this off to the side where it won't make contact with the negative terminal. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the clamp on the throttle body. Remove the vacuum hose. We're going to remove the 10mm bolts for the intake box. Pinch the clamp for the hose. Pull the hose back. Remove the harness from the intake. There's going to be two little clips inside of here. We're going to use a little pick and push on these tabs and remove. The tabs we're pushing on are right here. You can go in through the top, pull it to the side, pull it out. Remove the connector from the back of the intake. There's a push button on top. Push on that tab, pull straight back. Remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the clamp. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop the plastic stay out of the plastic bracket. We're also going to pop this vacuum hose out. Pull the intake boot off of the intake box. Pull the assembly off of the throttle body. Flop it over to the side. Remove the connector for the ignition coil. Push on the tab, pull straight back. Remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the ignition coil. Pull straight up and remove the ignition coil. Install the ignition coil. Push straight down. Install the bolt. Torque the bolt to 80 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Pull the intake box back over. Install the intake tube. Install it to the throttle body. Install the plastic stay for the harness. Install the vacuum line into the bracket. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a push. Make sure it's fully locked on. Install the hose onto the intake. Pinch the clamp, pull it back into position. Snug down the clamp. Install the bolts. With all of our bolts started, we'll go around and snug them all down. Torque the bolts to 80 inch-pounds. Install the vacuum hose. Snug down the clamp for the throttle body. Install the plastic stay for the harness. Install the negative battery cable. Snug it down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.